to the 3B Kids of Texas. Today, we are going to show you some Valentine's decor. We're going to start with our kitchenette. We'll show you this place setting from start to finish. This placemat is from Lillian Vernon. This charger is from Hobby Lobby. Cutlery from Pottery Barn Kids. So your cutlery's not naked. We put it in a holder from Walmart. This heart-shaped mug is from Grandma. The heart napkins are from Walmart. We're going to pair those napkins with red ones from Lillian Vernon. What do we do next? Hang on and I'll show you. This heart-shaped napkin ring is from Lillian Vernon. It's breakable. Don't ask me how I know. Let's get this napkin ready. Now let's add some heart-shaped plates and bowls from William Sonoma, circa 2004. Do we actually eat with these? No. We use our heart-shaped melamine plates from Hobby Lobby. Let's take a spin around the table so you can see the different place settings. The kids have different mugs than the adults. When do we get to eat those Oreos with icing? Hands off until I'm done filming. We still have to show everybody our dining table. I almost forgot to mention that centerpiece is from Hobby Lobby. And the table runner is from Walmart. For the record, we're not sponsored by any of these stores yet. Won't you dine with us now? Going a little fast there, aren't we? Welcome to our dining room full of love.
All the black and white check is from Mackenzie-Childs.
Here's a place setting from start to finish. We used our Fiestaware on top of our mackenzie-childs chargers.
We use these envelopes from Hobby Lobby for dessert holders.
If you'd like to know where anything else comes from, leave us a message in the comments.
And here's your seat.
Would you believe that champagne flute is plastic?
Less than $1 at Walmart. Allow us to show you the differences of our Valentine's plates. Grandma found these at Pier 1 many years ago.
If you've made it this far in our video, we thank you.
Please hit that subscribe button. It's totally free and it helps our channel. We have more decor videos coming up and our adventures are just beginning.